As you can see, they have dried. Good, look there. So I think it is good. Let's just wait dry it one more. Also, to wait the food, this you need to be silent. Jehovah. Jehovah, guy. I'm going to wait it so that it may cool down.
Yeah, I want all to cool
down. Don't worry about my English. I'm thinking twice before you. Hi amazing people, karibuni sana to our YouTube channel. I'm Candy Lispa, guys, and behind the camera is my baby.
I'm Patrick.
Yes guys, today we are going to cook the tilapia, guys. Look at the way it's whole.
Yeah.
The tilapia looks so amazing and so huge.
Yeah.
So guys, first of all, we remove the scales. What are they called? Scales. Scales. I think scales or scales.
I think scales, yeah.
We remove the scales, guys. All of it. You first remove the scales. Then, guys, we cut it into pieces. Yeah, we cut it into different pieces here. As you can see. Look, guys. Now, we are going to cut it because, as you can see in our pan, we don't have such a huge pan. So, we are going to cut it into quite affordable pieces. Small pieces. Not I'm talking like a businesswoman. Small pieces. So guys, I'm going to cut first near the head.
Okay, you can remove these things.
Oh, I remove it that first.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the traditional. If you have kitchen, you sharpen your knife just in the kitchen. Let me first cut it here. So I'm going to pull this. This is the string which is used to hold the fish. The fish are being sold at the roadside. So now guys, I'm going to cut the fish into pieces. Oh my god, look at the way it look amazing, guys. I'm going to cut it into pieces. Look guys. Don't worry about the hand of mine sharpening the knife. So I need the fish to come out with
how many pieces?
4 pieces, because we are 2 of them, so that each may have 2.
Equal.
Yeah. So guys, I'm going to cut here.
But I think you are struggling too much.
Why?
While you are cutting.
And then I'm going to cut, I think, Mickey Mako.
There.
Yeah. I think one of us is going to surrender. Have a little bit small fish.
No.
It is fair. So guys, look at the I think the size looks so amazing. Hey. The fish itself.
I know it's a knife. The knife is not good.
Yeah, now guys. So as you can see, I have cut it into 4 pieces. As you can see, there are 4 pieces.
Yeah, we want to...
Now we want to put some oil into the pan. But first you're going to heat the oil so that the pan may fly away from water.
We want to deep fry. We want to do deep fry.
Yeah, we want to deep fry the fish. So guys, let me remove everything.
Yeah, I mean the back, the cameraman.
Yeah, I want to remove everything. So guys, baby milk spoiled itself here. The English is so hard.
What are you saying?
So I'm going to put the pan in the cooking.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to
our cook.
Yeah. Then I'm going to wait the pan to dry. This water.
But you are cleaning with your hands.
It is just a way for me. You know, we say in the kitchen, women don't feel heat. We don't feel any heat.
Women, they don't struggle.
No, we don't feel it.
Women, they don't struggle.
So we are going to, this is going to remove the fish.
Yeah.
So guys, look at the scales. These are the scales of the fish.
Scales.
Scales, you know. We're going to improve ourselves English little by little, even though we don't know it's very well.
Okay.
Jamani. So we are waiting for the pan to udade. So guys, I'm going to put the oil. The pan is quite hot.
Yeah, fat oil. Cooking oil.
Cooking oil.
Yeah.
That way,
Which amount? Yeah, that's good.
I think that is enough. You're not going to waste the oil. Oh, the oil is very
That's
expensive.
not wasting. We are not wasting, but we are cooking. We are showing our viewers.
Yeah, we are cooking
how
at
to cook.
Everybody knows
We are not
me.
economic.
I don't joke around with this one. So guys, let's wait the oil to be hot.
To get heat.
So one thing I'm going to ask: Are we going to put the fish, the salt, or because you don't?
You can put the soil. Not the
salt.
soil. The salt in and out.
Okay. Let me remove this. There's a wipe in the kitchen.
There is also people put garlic, small garlic, then with salt.
Why?
Flavor. I think it's because of flavor.
I think that I'm not going to do that.
For today, yeah. But you guys...
The next time, the video, we're going to try that.
Yes.
So guys, this is my first time cooking the tilapia. So let's learn together and see how the result is going to be on the end.
Yeah.
So everything, actually guys, if you don't know something unique, everything we cook here, it is all my first time. Yeah, it is all my first time. Some things. Now go and watch our videos. You're going to see amazing things in the kitchen. This. So guys, please subscribe. Now, so guys, as you can see, we are putting some salt. Now, have you ever known that when the fish when they
open the mouth?
Yeah, it open the mouth. It
do what?
It welcome the
small what?
Small hair.
Small oxygen. Small hair.
Yeah.
Hey, is it hair?
I think I'm going to put it like that. How do you know when the oil is running?
Do this with that. Yeah, put this. Put this. This. Do this. Yeah, it's this.
It is what?
Yeah, it's okay.
That one is not stable. It's not stabilizing this economy. So guys, you're going to put the fish so that it may not fall. That is too much oil to waste.
Yeah, we are recording it. We can stay good. We need to show the viewers how you are cooking.
So guys, as you can see, look. Now we are going to wait it to fry itself. I want it to fry and see it.
How many minutes we like? We
I think because it is my first time, I don't know. Let's just look and observe.
Let's wait 15 minutes.
Yeah, but let's wait for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Then you're going to turn around.
Yeah.
So guys, it has been 2 minutes fast. So let's first turn it to see what is going on behind the fish.
Behind the fish?
Yeah.
We don't have the behind the fish.
You see what?
Then there is this thing that you tell people that
What? So guys, as you can see, look at it. It is not yet cooked, but as you can see, we are seeing that there is a result.
Today I want to see how you tell people to kausha hiyo.
Yeah.
Today I need you kausha.
Yeah, I always tell people whenever we are buying fish to fry it until it is quite dry, hard. It's like a crisp. So That means today, see, I'm going to do. But you know, those are experts. They have done it many times. But
Yeah.
this is my first time. But I'm going to make sure it become crisp.
Yeah.
Huh? By the way, guys, if you don't know, the head belongs to the head of the house. My baby know how to swallow this one. You eat the orange.
What I say?
The head belongs to the husband, the tail belongs to the baby, the center belongs to the mama, so that she may produce the good milk. Guys, please.
Is Mama talking the good English?
Yes, guys. So, guys, please subscribe, please, guys, and see how cooking we are cooking. And this is called dawa. Next time, guys, continue watching. I'm going to show you how to make dawa. When you use it, you don't become sick
It's a herbal
medicine.
Yeah.
But it is like a coffee. You drink like a coffee. It is so delicious. So, guys, next video, make sure you watch and see what is the next video. So, let's wait for our fish to kausha, to dry. It will become clips. Continue watching. So guys, I'm going to turn them around. So I'm standing here so that I may not sambusha it. God, I'm so afraid. If there's something I don't like, so I've turned the head. Oh my. I think he's turning. Next time I'm going to give my husband though. I'm so. Hey, babe. Kwani nageukika?
Turn the other way.
Nimekata tena.
Mbona ikatae? Ukifanya hivi itatoka hivi. It will fall out.
Oh my God. Oh, congratulations, that one is done. What about this one? Oh my God. Guys, this is my first time doing this. That is why they give me so much headache. Yeah. Like that, babe?
Yeah. Let's wait like 5 minutes.
Yeah, so guys, let's wait like 5 minutes. As you can see, they have dry. Good, look there. So I think it is good. Let's just wait and dry it one more time.
Yeah.
So guys, the fish is quite good. If you have already dried stuff. No, dried stuff is when you eat it like this, you feel it is hard. So I'm going to put off the heat. Then guys, I'm going to wait the food. This you need to be silent. Jehovah guys. I'm going to wait it so that it may cool down.
Yeah, I want all to cool
down. Don't worry about my English. I'm thinking twice before you. So guys, let it cool down fast because don't joke with fuel.
Oil.
Oil. Guide.
Fuel is for cars.
We are driving this car in the kitchen. Oh my God, that's super fun. So, fuel.
Do it.
So guys, let me remove it. First, I'm going to use this fork. Super fork. Oh, is it holding down? Oh, I think they are these twins don't want to leave each other. Let's see if we remove it together. Oh, they are misbehaving. I think they're not that quite misbehaving. So I'm going to shake it so that it may remove all the oil. Now this oil I'm going to use to cook it to other food. I think it is good, Emma, babe.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm going to put it here. This one, other one.
Guys, please subscribe for more content.
Wow, it is cool. It is good.
Give us energy.
Yes, guys, please,
When you comment, when you like, you give us energy.
Yeah.
For doing another content.
Yes, guys.
Tell us how about this content. I will appreciate.
Yes, guys.
Yeah. We need to reach 20,000 subscribers.
Please.
We need comments, we need likes from you guys.
Yes, guys. So, guys, we have finished deep frying our own fish. So, guys, look at the way it look amazing. Let me put it the way you're going to see it. So, guys, this is how you deep fry the tilapia. So, guys, please support this family. Now, guys, what next? What next are we going to do the surprise about the tilapia, another tilapia, please? So, continue watching and see the next surprise. When you do this, what next can you spice your home, your table, your tablet? Subscribe.
Patrick holds the camera.